Hi, welcome to Pointerpro. In this video, we will see how you can configure your first dashboard using our Dashboard Builder functionality. Please note that this is an add-on and might be not immediately available in your account. If you want to try our Dashboard Builder, please contact our team. First, go to Distribution tab and select Dashboard Builder. Here you will see a list of all the dashboards that you created before, so you can access them by clicking on the name. However, in this video, we will create a new dashboard from scratch. For that, click Create Dashboard. Here, you will be able to see all the questionnaires that you have in your account, and you need to select one that you want to create your dashboard for. I select this questionnaire. Click Create Dashboard. Here, you will have a pop-up window saying, do you want to use system-generated tags for your columns and elements? Or do you want to go to questionnaire and configure them yourselves? First, let's discover Go to Questionnaire and see how you can create those handles yourself. Your questionnaire will be open. Handles are like nicknames for different elements of your questionnaire. This makes it easier for you to navigate inside the dataset and find needed information. For example, we have one question on the intro screen that says, please add your name here. And below we see the field where you can input a handle. Think about it as a nickname that can be short and easy for you to understand. For example, here we will say first name. You can configure your handles for intro screen questions, but also for regular questions. For example, here we can say statement 1. Further on, under extra options, you can configure handles for your outcomes. For example, this one is called dominance. And you can also add handles for your formulas. This one is also called dominance. Here is the input field. Once you configure all the handles, you can go back to the Distribution tab and create your dashboard. Let's do that. Don't forget to save your changes first. Here we are again at this selection screen. Let's create our dashboard. Now you see that the Dashboard Builder loaded. You have already two charts here configured, the general welcome text and the bar chart. To configure it further, let's enter the edit mode by clicking this button. Now the edit mode loaded. The Dashboard Builder consists of the canvas in the center, where you can easily drag and drop your charts around, the datasets, where you will see all the columns and data options from your questionnaire, and the menu to add different items. There are more than 50 different charts you can choose from. Let's first start with the text. Simply drag and drop it onto canvas. Here now you can enter your text. We will put information that this dashboard is confidential. If you want to remove a chart, simply click Delete. Now we position our chart and resize it to our liking. Then the next widget that I want to add is a logo for my dashboard. For that, I'll go under Add Item. I select an image and drag and drop it. Now we see the generic image appeared. When you hover over a chart, you will see a menu popping up in the upper right corner, where you will have also settings available. Click on it. Here you will be able to upload your image from your local device. I will do that. Click Save. Now our image uploaded. In the general settings, you can also change the mode of the image. For example, I want to fit it. Now we resize it to fit nicely with our dashboard. There you go. Now we will add a bar chart. And in this chart, we want to visualize all the responses for question number 1. We added it on Canvas. Now we go to our dataset and we search for the question. That's where handles come handy, because you can easily search for a needed column up here, or you can also scroll down and find the question that you need to visualize. In our case, it's question number 1. Now simply drag and drop it into the category slot. Done. Your chart is ready. It's showing all the different answer options that are available and how many times they were selected. Now we can also change the title of the chart. We will call it Question 1 Responses. And we can also go into extra settings of this chart to show value in the bar, for example, absolute, have the colorful bars, add rounded corners, and there are extra settings that you can discover as well. Now let's add a donut chart to visualize our outcomes. We go to Add Item, select a donut chart, and now in our dataset we'll look for the column that's called Outcome. There it is. We drag and drop it into category slot. Our chart is ready. Here we will call it Outcomes. Now we go into settings of this chart, and for example, we want to show measures by percentage. We can also change the width of our donut chart. And for example, we want to move our legend to the bottom. For that, go to the legend section and select the position that you want. Resize the chart so it nicely fits to your dashboard. You can add as many charts as you want. There are also generic dashboard settings that you have. Simply click on this gear icon. Here you will be able to add title and subtitle for your dashboard. But the most interesting is the theme. Now it is a standard theme called Orange Smoothie. But you can completely customize that. Simply click Custom. Here you will be able to change your main color and the full color palette. Simply switch to deleting colors and you see that your dashboard changes immediately. Once you're ready and you want to share your dashboard with someone else, simply go to Dashboard and export it. There are different versions available, for example as a PNG or PDF. Select that one you want and click Download. Good luck!